Things to tell about a person. 1. If someone repeat questions before answer them, they're lying. 2. If a person speaks less, but speaks fast, he keeps secrets. 3. People who mostly listen to jazz, soul, and R&B tend to be sensitive, poetic, and deep. While people who like acoustic and folk music are usually thoughtful, calm, and warm. 4. If someone uses the letter of I, me, and mine a lot, there is a high possibility that the person is narcissist. 5. If a person chooses to use exclusive dating apps instead of Tinder, they have high standards. 6. Anyone who's rude to cab drivers, doormen, salespeople, parking lot attendants, or waiters, that person is not nice. 7. The way people roll toilet paper tells a lot. Those who prefer the overhand method are more dominant, while the underhands tend to be more submissive. 8. If your pet backs away from someone, you should back away too. 9. Wearing uncomfortable shoes implies that the person is more of a calm person. 10. The more you reveal about yourself, the less people will see you as mysterious. 11. If a person hates the idea of being late, they might be more aggressive and goal-orientated.